The perihelion is the closest point of an elliptical orbit. A neutron star is an entity that comes closest to perfect isotropy, which is to be perfect in symmetry in all directions. The universe is anything but perfect. All of the observable universe appears to be evolving to achieve perfection in that it appears that all masses, including black holes, are progressing to be more round. Energy flows entropically in the path of least resistance. We hold that the shortest distance between point A to point B is a straight line, but the concept of straight is only academic because logically zero can only be approached but never achieved. The mathematical zero crossover on the XY graph is through the necessity of math and not the real-world experience. Absolute zero, as in 0 degrees Kelvin, would have to be no molecular motion, not even rotation over infinite time. It must be accepted as an arbitrary point from which to base observation. Likewise, one must consider that for a line to be straight as when laid upon the surface of a very large sphere, it will academically always be curved unless the sphere is infinitely large. So, once again, zero variation in the distance from A to B and zero arc is impossible. Thus, as a premise that energy is following the path of least resistance, that path is always vectored to a better solution. T.J. coined the phrase perihelion engineering as to what the universe is doing. It is evolving, and with each pass into the perihelion the solution changes. Throughout this treatise, T.J. uses hypercalculations, which are 1.0 times 10 to the 30th power before exponentiation. It is because it is fun and easy on today's hypercalculators. Besides, there is a difference in the results when using hypercalculators. If Newton or Einstein and Planck or even Niels Bohr had a hypercalculator, imagine what the results could be.